the same. I'm kind of a co-founder of Frandor Technology Company. Yeah, so I welcome you all to my fresh and new episode on my new channel. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, please I beg you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we will go fast, because God willing next year we have a lot of things to do on this platform. Especially we'll be doing live trading, live investments, and we'll be doing more of facial videos too over here. Yeah, but right now we are hitting the channel up, so please support and subscribe to the channel. Yeah, so I want to show you how you can make $2 just within 30 minutes. Can make just $2. Yeah, I know I've talked a lot about this app. Yeah, but let me blow your mind with this secret thing. Yeah, so where I will leave the link of this app in my description, so if you want to join, you'll join. By let me say something, I'm not forcing you to join it. Yeah, it's just working for me, and I'm just doing video for you to also benefit. So I'm not forcing you to invest or forcing you to do it. Nah. Because I haven't invest anything on this app. I just use what I know to earn money on this platform. Yeah, so let me show you how you can make the money from this platform without investing anything and getting $2 every 30 minutes or within 1 hour. Yeah, so when you open the app, this are the app is we have several ways of making money on this app. First one is what, play games, and we have investments. You can invest in like portfolios and cryptocurrencies and things. Yeah, but that one is money. But let me show you how you can mine for free. Yeah, so when you open this app, you can click on the start any Bitcoin, and it will start mining for you. But let me show you how you can make a lot of money more. Yeah, so today, like after this video, I'll click on the start any Bitcoin, but I've paused it. So let me show you today's own. So yesterday you always saw that I earned more than $7 and I withdraw it. So today I've earned $2.27. Yeah. So I'll continue the mining, and I'll withdraw the money. So I earned more than like $1 within 30 minutes or hour. Yeah. And this is the trick no one is telling you. Yeah. You can take this as a serious job. Just wake up in the morning, mine bitcoins. Wake up in the morning, mine bitcoins. Wake up in the morning, you mine bitcoins. Yeah. So let me show you the secret here. After that, you start mining. And we see that when I go to friends, I have 125 friends over here. Can you see it? Yeah. This one, all these YouTubers will not tell you this secret, but me, because you subscribe to my channel, that is why I'm telling you this secret. Yeah. So I will say that I have 125 friends over there. Yeah. That's the secret behind the money I've been making most on the platform. Because this platform, I haven't deposited any funds. I haven't deposited any funds over here. I haven't done that. Nah, I just use my powers to make more money over here. So this is how you do it. You go to in, and you go to invite friends. Invite friends. Yeah, invite friends. And they will give you some link. That link, you just post it on your status or in your WhatsApp broadcast or WhatsApp groups. Yeah. So the more people joining this thing, because they also see that when I join this platform, I can make money without investing anything, they will join it. Because like when I come to you and I'll be like, yo bro, I want to show you how to make money. They'll be like, okay, do I have to invest? It's nah, I don't have to invest. All you have to do is what? Have time for the app, and you can make a lot of cash. Do you think that I'll let you go? No, I'll not let you go, because I am also hot and I want to make money. So I'll give it a try. Then you give the person your referral link. So when the person click on the app, you will get what? When you click on the link and register on the app, you will get free 10.00, like spend like 10.00 a satoshis. satoshis, yeah, like this thing, yeah. So you get it, yeah. And this one will help you when you try to mine, like you're mining, let me say the machine. Okay, let's say if you're using one machine to mine on this platform, when you invite more people, the machine will double. I hope you understand it. Like, let's say you're using excavator to mine, and you invite people on the site to help you. They will also come with what their excavators, so they will help you mine a lot of what Bitcoin. Yeah. So if it's only you can't mine. It's like me. I have a lot of friends helping me to mine. You see, I have a lot of friends helping me to mine. You see that thing? Yeah. So when they join and they are also making money, I'm also making money. When I'm making money, they're also making money. That's how it is. Yeah. So when you can invite as many as you want, because this one you don't need to invest anything. You don't need to invest anything. All you have to do is what? Just click on start earning Bitcoin, and that is all. Yeah. So I'll click on it, but let me show you most of the secrets on this app before I will do it. Yeah. So let me come to profile. People were saying that they don't know how to withdraw your money on this app. Before you can withdraw, unless you have $5 before you can also withdraw. So if you want to withdraw, you will not click on the Bitcoin. Nah, because the Bitcoin is when you want to deposit in it. So you not click on it. You click on what you have earned from this platform. That's the start rewards. So it's like a reward, like you mine and they will reward you. You invite friends and they will reward you. So I'll click on the start reward. You see that I have 2.27. So this arrow, you click on that arrow if you want to withdraw, but because it's not up to $5 yet, it can't withdraw. So you click on it and you say that Satoshi balance is what less than $5, so I can't what withdraw it. But when it's more than or like equal with $5, I can what withdraw it. So that's how you withdraw it. That's simple. That's how you withdraw it. Yeah. So it's not something that like you have to like I have earned the money. I don't know how to withdraw it. Blah 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 blah. So right now I've shown you everything. So because I've shown you how you can withdraw your money on this thing and how you can make money without any investment, please you also have to support my channel by subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe. I beg you. Please subscribe, and let's keep on going. So let me go to the end. So this is how you make the money. You just click on the start earning. It's loading. You see that it's like here. This place will what starts reading. That means it's mining. So let's wait and see the magic. So let me close it. I don't want to click on OK. Close it. Yeah. So one thing about this is like if you start mining, the phone will be somewhere slow, and it will pick up. And this one, it will not drain your battery or anything. And this one thing about this one I like is like if you cut the app, you close your phone, off your data, off your phone, still the mining still continue, bro. It's still continue. Have you seen that it's loading? Have you seen it? Yeah, yeah. So it's mining. It's mining time, bro. And have you seen that the Bob NG has like money on his profile? Yeah, like the person's life. He's also doing mining, and you have Pennyland. Like they are all mining. Yeah, they are all mining. Yeah, you can also change your name. Have you seen this thing? You can also change the name to the name you want. Yeah. So let's say, like, let me do it. Let's say Randall Tech. Let's say Randall Tech. You're unable to use your Ember username as your gamer tag. Please choose a new one. Okay, so it should be different from the one I used on my profile. Okay, so let me do it. Let me do it Randall. Hey, let me stop. The reason why I can't use the Randall is like I've like I use the Rando for my. Have you seen the top? Have you seen here? Yeah, I use Rando. So they say that I can't use Rando again for my distinct tag. Like yeah, like let me maintain this one. Let me maintain this. Yeah. So that's how it is. Like so it's mining. Yeah. So it's mining time, bro. Yeah. So it's mining time. So it's mining. Yeah. So it's mining time. Yeah. So when you go here, you see that everything it like when it's loading this one to what will be going for it. Yeah. So I think I'm done and thank you for watching me and I'm out.